Hello, this is a brief overview of the organization of the Blackboard site. Under the Start From Here tab, you'll discover that the course has 6 topics, and there are the topics and the chapters. This is a location of the syllabus that will be a separate video. I have also built for you a slide introducing myself. We have the technology requirements of the course. I've created a tool to help you capture your thoughts on note-taking for each chapter. This tool should help you in your studies. It simply asks you a few questions to guide you to take notes and the use of key terms. Here is where you're going to find the weekly units. You can see each week. We're starting week 3 with the rollout of the first team report. You will note that you have a quiz on the syllabus due this coming Sunday, or next Sunday, January 27. It tells you the chapter that we're doing. And I put a recording in on my reflections of over 35 years in the field of business communication. You have your objectives and outcomes. You have your study guide questions. There is also a document about the value of this course and an alignment diagram, which will be the subject of a separate video. Those are the activities with the videos that you would watch. Click here to go to the syllabus quiz. You have a number of Yellow Dig activities. If you've not used Yellow Dig, it's explained on the left-hand menu. You can click and go to the next week. Yellow Dig is here. You will see there's a setup guide, a video tutorial, which is only 5 minutes. I've created 2 visuals on how Yellow Dig works, along with links to audio files around those visuals. We cover in this course the job search process, and under that tab, there is quite a bit of information for you to work with you through the course. In addition, you will be doing 2 major reports, a video presentation, and you can see here that there are substantial folders here to help you in that process. This folder, the basics of report writing, I've created quite a few videos to help you through that process. There are also videos here on how to use the digital tools of our library. There's a folder on APA. These items will be meaningful to you when you go in and read the directions for the papers. You have a comprehensive final exam that I've not yet created. Well, I hope this gives you an overview of this site.